I took a sell trade on Crash 500 index and I'm sharing with you guys how I was able to take this trade. So do it to stay to the end of the video to get every detail on this analysis. So firstly, I went to the daily time frame. I saw that the market is on a key level, basically a key zone. So I had to identify this level as an important level, because we've seen the market reacting on it in the past as a support here, broke below its resistance, sold off. This level has always been an important level. The market has always reacted on this level as a support and a resistance. Now the market came back to this level that has always been a key level to test it again. So when we got the test on this level, the market kind of gave us a fake breakout of this zone. Like there was a breakout of it before the market pushed back to the downside with this bearish engulfing candle. You can see how massive the sell to the downside was. So after we got the sell to the downside, my expectations was for the market to give me a move back to this level, like a break and retest of this our zone. Then I'll be shorting on the retest. I'll be taking my sells at this point. So after we got the retest, you can see that we got this daily time frame candle rejection at this point. This is a nice bearish reversal candle. Got this formation at this point. So I went to the and matching up with our trend resistance. We have the market giving us these lower highs and lower lows, as well as the market reacting on a trend resistance at this point. So we have a key level of resistance and our horizontal level of resistance, our trend resistance, and also introduce our Fibonacci tool to check our possible level of retracement from the swing highs to the swing lows, to check our 61.8 level. And we can see that market is currently on our 61.8 level at this zone. This is a nice retracement level, a nice possible level of sales, a contention to the downside, a level at which you could expect a possible contention to the downside. So I matched our Fibonacci tool for more confirmations, and you can see how well the market rejected at that zone and now pushing nicely well to the downside. So I went to the forward time frame. You can see that on the day time frame everything is looking bearish. Our level of resistance, our key zone, basically our trend resistance, everything is matching up. So on the forward time frame, you can see that the market give us this there was a high formation at this point. There was a kind of a change of market structure. We got a high at this point, then we got another high basically at this zone. So we got two highs at this point. So the market failed to give us a new high, basically. That's how we got the fake breakout. That's what gave us this fake breakout formation. Market failed to give us a new high to the upside, but started forming these lows, like give us a low at this point. Give us a low at this point. Then the low the market formed at this zone. The market tried to break out of it, but failed with this bearish engulfing candle at this point. The market failed to give us a clear breakout of this our level, like to clear this market structure, this lower highs market formation, this new market formation. Market failed to clear it off, but then started giving us this bearish engulfing candle at this point. So we got the first bearish engulfing candle. So I waited for the market to give me another bearish engulfing candle to form a clear breakout of this our level. So how I got this clear formation, the next forward candle that formed was a nice candle formation that gave me a retest back to this our level, but it's clearly seen on the 15-minute time frame. This candlestick weak you got at this point is a retest of this our broken level. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see it clearly. So this is it clearly. This is it basically. This is it. Like we got the retest at this zone, at this particular level here. We got the retest at this zone. That candlestick formation was supposed to give me a test. That week that we saw is this actually, like that's the retest of that level that got broken. So I waited for the clear retest of this our level, a clear breaker retest of it for me to take the sells. So I went back to the coming to the forward time frame again, you can see that we got the retest at this zone. You see the week that gave us the retest, which is the retest that we saw clearly on the 15-minute time frame. Then on the 1 hour time frame, basically, you can see the market started forming this reversal formation, a head and shoulders pattern. We got the head formation at this point, the head at this zone, the left shoulder here, and the right shoulder at this particular level. The right shoulder was the formation I was looking at for to take the sells, like the break of the neckline as we saw at this point. See the neckline basically. So after for the market to give me a clear formation of this head and shoulders pattern, then a break out of it, a break of the neckline, a break and close below the neckline for the sells, which the market did. You can see the candlestick that broke and closed below this level. So I took my sells at this point. I'm expecting more sales basically on Crash 500 index, and we have seen the reversal formation as well, the head and shoulders pattern, which is a nice bearish reversal formation, adding up with our new lower highs formation that came up at this point. Adding up with our new lower highs formation, everything looking bearish basically. So I'm expecting more sales on this index, at least to this level basically. To this level, expecting more sales on Crash 500 index to this first level. Though my first TP at this point, I have my first TP at this zone, then my second TP at this point, my second TP here. So generally I'm still looking out for more sales on this index, at least to this level in the coming day. If I have to get the first and second TP hit, then I'll be holding the remaining positions to run up at least to this our level. So that's my analysis on Crash 500 index basically. That's how I was able to take the sales. I worked from the daily time frame. I saw the market structure. I defined my market formation, the lower high structure, our trend resistance, our key level of resistance, then our Fibonacci retracement level for more confirmations, swing highs to the swing lows. And you can see it's 1.8 level. The market is actually on it, a nice retracement zone basically. So I matched up these levels, I identified this market structure, work with market price action, and you're moving nicely well in good profits, as you can see at this point. So that's how I was able to take the sales on this index. If you enjoyed the video, do to smash like button for more videos like this and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And to my returning viewers, a big shout out to you guys for always engaging my videos. Let's do more, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.